If we look at the bottom half of the screen, as an outcome to the feedback that we're getting, the outcomes around people's feedback is because of the workplace stresses around job demands and cognitive task demands, the levels of engagement and burnout are scoring quite low, again, which is consistent with other indicators we're seeing in the marketplace. Often people say, well, we know what's working and what's not working. What do we actually need to do? So what we've developed is a bunch of levers to help organisations focus on where to focus their attention to get the best return on their investment. Of those 12 levers, change management is performing the worst. So we're going to delve into change management in a bit more detail today. And positively, trust in leaders is performing the best. So I guess the take-home message here is try and focus on things that are working, not just things that aren't, and leverage things that are working to create that change and improvement that you're trying to achieve.